Click on Account Services, then Stop Payment. Choose Account. Fill out the optional reason and enter check number, date on check, payee name, and check amount. Then click Continue. Review the above information and click Submit Request. Then click on Existing Stops. On this page, you can search the existing stops. You can display it on screen or export it. Choose from what accounts. Then choose either a specific date or a date range. You can choose to enter check number or not. Then click Generate Report. Here you'll see your stops. And you can cancel it by pressing on the icon to the right of the row. Then click Yes. Once confirmed, click on View Stop Payment Activity Report. Then click on Check Number to confirm details.